I'd like to thank Matthew Hutton from Bishop Druitt College, Coffs Harbour. He's sent in a question to ask what's the best way to maintain and things to do after use of a microscope. So I'm just going to go through some quick things that could help you. So the first thing I would recommend is that you, if you've got a light variant, turn your light down, because if you have it up too high, the next time it's turned on, and if you've got it on the 4 times, it might blow the eye out. It's very bright and can hurt the kids' eyes. So have that turned down. Another important thing is to take off the slide. If you leave the slide on there, 1, you may lose it when they're expensive. 2, if you've got it on the 40 times there, it actually can create dust and create dirt and muck onto the 40 times, and that creates a worse image. Another one that we should do is leave it at the 4 times. Take it, usually the kids would have finished it at the 40 times, take it back to the 4 times. If you give it a little white squirt with Windex and wipe over the microscope, makes it look nice and neat and tidy, especially over the stage, because the stage can get a little mucked up and gets, especially if it gets chemicals or anything on it, they can break the stage up, and you can sometimes see them peel away. The head, make sure the head's nicely turned that way, because that keeps the microscope nice and compact, and as you keep them on trolleys a lot, if you have it out that way and somebody walks past it and bumps it, you can knock the microscope over and damage the microscope. The cord's always a problem. Some people put them under here and wind them around there. I don't like doing that because there's a lot of mechanisms underneath the microscope that can break those mechanisms. If you don't have this little thing here where they wind it up here, we just suggest that you just wind this up, loop it through and put it over the top of that. It's important to put the cover on. We like to put this, we sell and we like the cloth covers. The reason we like the cloth covers is the plastic ones that come with the microscopes tend to split here and open up, and that lets dust into those eyepieces and creates problems there. So if you don't have cloth ones and they're splitting, I would recommend you get plastic bags, freezer bags, anything like that. Just make sure it's totally covered the microscope. If this has been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment sections below.